So guys, on our last video we created the derivative bot that's just run automatically randomly taking trade on rise and fall. So today we are going to give it a little bit of instruction for it to follow the conditions of the market it has to meet for it to take a rise or a fall trade, right? So the first thing you want to do is to head over to deriv bot.deriv.com. Make sure you're on binary bot. So you click on deriv here, click on continuous indices, and you want to click on volatility, whichever one you want to use. So I'm using volatility 100 index in this case. So up and down, rise and fall both. Okay, so we want to do 5 tick. You can choose yours to be 3, you can choose yours to be 1, and also this is the amount you want to use. All right, so in each trade we're using $1 in each trade. You can also change yours if you wish. All right, so I will delete this third block, will not be needing it, so I can bring the fourth one. Okay, so what we want to do now is to click on our variables and click on RSI level. RSI level, create a new set. Okay, now what we want to do is we are using the RSI to enter into the market. When the RSI indicator, so let's do something. So when the RSI indicator, let's say we configure this to be, our period is 5, let's use 70-30. Let's use 70-30. Okay, so if the market is above 70, it takes a fall trade, it takes a fall. And if it is below, if it is up to 30, then it takes a rise. Okay, so if it's above 70, it's a fall. If it's below 30, it's a rise. So that's what we're going to set our market condition to be in this case. Okay, so we've set our variable. Now this is what we want to do. Let's bring in our set, put our set here. Since we're using the RSI level, we'll come to indicator. Let's bring in the relative index indicator. So remember, our period is going to be 5. Okay, so let's use 5 as our period. And input list, so our input list will come to our tick analysis, and let's use tick list advanced. Let's use tick list. So we'll place our tick list here. Place our tick list there to get the best. So now we're going to bring in our logic. So we'll bring in our logic and we'll put our logic. We say if then we'll bring in this. Okay, so here we come to our variable, bring in the RSI level. Say if RSI is greater than, if it is greater than 70, then purchase fall. So if it's greater than 70, it purchases fall. So we say else if, right? Else if, come to our variables and we bring in the RSI again, come to our math, okay. So F is RSI is lesser than, we bring this, RSI is lesser than 30, RSI is lesser than 30, then let's purchase rice. Okay, so this is the market condition. If the RSI is higher than 70, it goes for fall. If the RSI is lower than 30, it goes for rise. Okay, so let's just check. Okay, so once we finish setting up the parameters like this, you want to click on run and let the bot do its thing. So guys, this is how you create a derivative bot with the conditions to be made. So this is a put and this is a call, so it follows the wave of the market. Okay guys, our next video we're going to see how we can add martingale on our bots. Okay, so we're going to need the condition. We'll see how we can add martingale, so whenever it loses, it can multiply itself and still put us in profit, guys. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if this video has been helpful so far. Thank you.